My name's Kenny from 180 Contractors, and we're here in West Bloomfield a couple days into a complete siding replacement. Most contractors will just cover right up over this LP rotted siding. Not us. We're gonna rip it all out. Come take a look. So we've ripped off 100% of the wood here in the back. We're starting to lay in a 3/4 inch foam to add some better sound deadening, some more insulation to the house, and make a much flatter surface for the new siding to go up. This siding's only 15 years old, and this is what you never see. This is what happens when siding gets put on incorrectly. They were confident with putting the shake all throughout the front and side here because we were able to show them exactly what it was gonna look like with our 3D technology ahead of the project. We take a few pictures around the house and we're able to build a 3D rendering in real time of exactly what the project's gonna look like and start to swap out different materials and colors to make sure that you love it before you buy it. When we do siding, we don't like to just throw out builder grade vinyl panels. Instead, we go with composite foam-backed siding with scratch-resistant coil, so we're good for decades to come. I can't wait until we see once this beige siding gets ripped off the house and we get all this new blue and gray put up.